If you enjoy traveling, thorough preparation, and assisting others in having wonderful experiences, you may have wondered how to become a travel agent or even build your own company. You don't need any specific employment background to become a travel agent. Given the surge in internet direct-to-consumer travel booking services, success is primarily dependent on finding the correct niche in a very competitive market. So, if you want to be successful, you should devote a significant amount of time and effort to market research, branding, and marketing. You'll need to figure out who your target market is and how much they're willing to pay for your services. This can be a rewarding career path, with some fun perks. So, if you are intrigued by this captivating work, let's take a closer look at the career, what they do, who they serve, what skills they need to get the job done, and how to become a travel agent. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. A travel agent is a private merchant who sells travel and tourism-related services to the general public. They also take care of lodging or travel suppliers and provide various types of travel packages for each destination. Working as a travel agent allows you to travel and experience the world. As a travel agent, you can be your boss. You have complete control over your location. You can work from an office, from home when the kids are in school, or even from a resort halfway around the world. Discounts, upgrades, bonuses, and free vacations are all special perks travel agents get to enjoy. It's interesting and entertaining, and it helps people. It's not called the hospitality industry for nothing. Your job is to make others happy. It doesn't get any better than this. So, basically, a travel agent guarantees that clients get a customized trip plan that is tailored to their specific needs and tastes. They can recommend alternative resorts or places, or they can assist their clients in planning a trip. Before travel agents can make plans for their clients, they must first garner vital details about them, such as their budget, schedule, ideal vacation, and preferred mode of transportation. If a travel agent learns that a customer is frightened of flying, you may recommend a cruise instead. This is why many people still prefer travel agents to automated booking systems, because of their personalization and expertise. They assist clients to negotiate hotel rates, establish vacation itineraries, calculate travel costs, and look for ways to save the clients money. They also provide recommendations for places to visit and information on local tourist sites, events, and customs. The average monthly wage for a travel agent in the United States is $3,040 as of July 22, 2021. The average annual salary for a travel agent is $43,220. Additionally, credentials may make it easier to obtain higher compensation. The majority of travel agent salaries in the United States now vary from $2,417 to $3,625. The average salary range for a travel agent varies by as much as $1,208, implying that there may be many opportunities for growth and increased income based on skill level, location, and years of experience. You're undoubtedly wondering how to become a travel agent after hearing all of this. A certain degree of education and training is required to become a travel agent, and some may need to earn qualifications before they can begin their job. If you're thinking about becoming a travel agent, you can follow these steps. The first step is to pursue an education. Before beginning their employment, most travel agents must have at least a high school diploma. Although a college degree is not required for this industry, attending certain classes or earning at least an associate's degree can help you develop valuable information in areas like tourism, best business practices, foreign affairs, and marketing. To give your clients the best travel plans for their needs, you'll need comprehensive knowledge in all of these areas. Clients and potential employers may both look for a certification that proves your experience. You can take the Travel Agent Proficiency Test offered by the Travel Institute to demonstrate that you have the necessary skills and certifications to be a successful travel agent. After a few years of expertise, you can take more advanced certification examinations with the Travel Institute or comparable organizations. The next step is to improve your communication skills. A travel agent's ability to engage with others, whether through phone conversations, emails, or in-person meetings, is critical to their success. Improving your communication skills will help you obtain and maintain loyal clients, which will be your main source of income. If you plan to operate independently rather than for an agency, keeping your clients pleased is very crucial. Communication skills such as following up on questions and communicating changes will also make it easier for you to bargain with hotels and other businesses to secure the best offers for your customers. Next, look at travel planning and money-saving strategies. Your clients rely on you as a travel agent to assist them to save as much money as possible when traveling. This is why it's beneficial to look for offers on local hotels, cruises, airlines, or activities that may be giving discounted rates. If you work for an agency, you'll probably get on-the-job training on finding the greatest discounts for customers and making the best reservations for the money. This experience will come in handy when you start your firm. Finally, broaden your travel industry knowledge. Because vacation destinations and your clients' itinerary objectives may change over time, it's important to stay up to date on new developments in the area. It may also be beneficial to continue taking courses designed to help you gain a deeper grasp of the tourism sector. The Travel Institute offers courses in disciplines such as geography and itinerary planning, in addition to the TAP test to help you organize unforgettable journeys for your clients. These classes are especially beneficial if you intend to specialize in a specific type of travel. Learning to be anything takes time, and learning how to be a travel agent is no exception. However, because there are no industry standards for travel agent education and training, one can begin working in this sector after high school graduation. It can take 1 to 4 years to earn a certificate, associate's degree, or bachelor's degree in tourism before looking for work. When it comes down to it, learning anything costs money. If you want to go at it alone, you'll have to pay for training, certifications, and website creation. It can cost upwards of $2,000 to cover everything. Business, marketing, communications, and hospitality are among the bachelor's degrees that travel agencies deem relevant. Business administration, accounting, human resources, and management are some of the other degrees that could lead to a career in the travel sector. You can pursue a diploma, certificate, or associate degree in travel or tourism in a 2-year college. Some colleges and universities even offer bachelor's and master's degrees in travel and tourism, which can lead to higher-level careers in the business. You'll require a high school diploma as an entry-level education, although many firms prefer higher degrees or certification. Diplomas in travel and tourism include Associate in Applied Science in Hospitality and Tourism, Associate in Applied Science in Aviation Customer Relations, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality and Tourism Management. So, you can become a travel agent and get to experience the perks of being a travel agent for yourself. Let me know what you think about being a travel agent and your favorite location in the world to travel to in the comments. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.